Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of G-Man's Fish Ventures. Today we're out here and if we can catch some walleyes, or really anything that we can catch. We realized that it was too late to get worms. So now today we'll just be fishing twister tails and stuff and mimic minnows. So let's see what we can catch. So I got a white jig head and a pink twister tail. We're just gonna cast some retriever. Oh, I missed him. Something grabbed her. See if that one's hungry again. Hopefully it is. Well, we didn't have worms. Probably at least be able to catch sheephead. But let's see what we can. Oh, come on. I just had a bite, guys.
Oh.
Dude, I just had one ripping on my.
I wasn't expecting that. Dang it.
Bro, I just had one ripping on me. Yeah.
Current's bringing me back upstream, so now I'll get a little bit better angle on my retrieval. Able to keep the line tight. Oh, there we go, right at the boat. What do we got? Ooh, woohoo. Got some good head shakes to it. Uh-oh, what did I get? He came after it multiple times. I just want to see it. Yeah, northern. Yeah, you called that one. Jeez, it's a nice one. Ah! Just got a shower. Yeah, you're no baby, are ya? Come on. I'll get you off the hook quick.
Dad, how are you?
Whoa! Thought I had him. This would have been a good time to have a landing net. Come on. Can't hardly get my hands around him. There you go.
That's a nice one.
Yeah, it's probably... Woo! Phone's getting all slimy. Yeah, man. It's probably 25, 26. It's a nice fish for sure. Big teeth. All right, buddy. Thanks for biting.
I don't like keep paddling up and down the river.
Well, I'm the first one on the board, and I'm the first one absolutely drenched.
Dude, I've already had like...
That one really didn't bite that hard. He hit it, and then he missed, and then I just kept slowly coming through, and he grabbed it again.
How are you like bouncing it off the bottom?
I just, like that, and then reel up the slack and do it again. Ugh, the phone got a little gross there. Would have done a short if it wasn't so gross, but that's all right. It was a healthy fish too. It was probably, I don't know.
That was pretty thick.
It was probably 4 or 5 pounds. I don't know. I'm terrible at weighing fish. But length I got. Weight I don't. That shower felt pretty good though. I'm sweating. It's our first time on the river since the big flood this spring. So we're kind of learning it all over again. We don't have a lot of time to do it either. Let's go down to that next pool.
Okay.
On the way up.
Alright, we're gonna paddle down to the next pool real quick.
Last year all I did in this pool was just just let the current take me and just jig it off the bottom, just bounce it. But now you're already down in the snag zone.
Yeah, but...
And I'm in the snag zone too, apparently. There it popped. Ah, geez, John. Another missed fish. Thought I was popping it out of the snag and dang fish took off with it. We are struggling to get a hook set. Oh, gee! Yes! It's a baby northern. Oh my goodness. It's like the smallest northern you could possibly catch. Oh, you were a stock this year, weren't you? Or a natural. Yep, see you, buddy. Oh, that was pretty crazy.
And we absolutely love this lure. It's a good, you can catch smallmouth, sometimes bluegill, crappie, walleye, northern. You can catch a lot of stuff on this snag already. It's gonna say great. And I'm not a big fan of losing my mimic minnows because, as you can quite tell, I have a lot of them. Oh God, there's a crawdad right here. Crawdad net. See if we got him. Well, we got the rock that he was hiding under. Did not get the crawdad though. Decent rock. Size rock.
Get up to that upper pool when you get that out and catch you a big walleye.
Hopefully.
or anything.
Yeah. There.
There, Pop.
Yep. So glad I did not have to lose that. Because this is probably one of my cooler ones. I got a lot though. I can't quite tell which one's my favorite. And I still got more to collect. I'm trying to, I like to get about every color. I also got, if you also haven't seen my mini mic collection, I might have to show you guys that sometime. I got quite a few. I got about 143 of them. But, no, I don't know if that's including my big ones or not. The big ones or not. I definitely have more to collect. But, I'm trying to do a thing where I don't spend my money for a while. Man, surprised we didn't catch anything else down there than Dad's tiny northern. I mean, we also didn't bring worms. I mean, I bet you if we brought worms, then I bet you we would have caught a lot more fish. Definitely probably would have caught some red horses and some sheephead, but you never know. Alright, let's get over to this sandbar here. Alright. I might just shut you guys off for this, so you don't have to watch me pull a kayak that nobody's in. Alright, finally got to the end of that sandbar. That was a lot easier. I did get really wet though. That's okay. I'd rather get wet than freaking have to kayak all the way up that current that was just going. That current was going crazy. Come on, fishy, fishy, fishy. Where are the fishy? Or is this just one of the days that the fish are giving my dad a win because I win too many times? Dad, I can't wait until you put this video together. Come on, I'll take anything at this point. I just want to catch fish. Sucks that we don't get to fish so much. I'd rather be fishing every single day than be fishing once every couple days. That sucks. I mean, not being able to fish now that summer's almost over. I don't know. Just have to get Dad to take me fishing after school. Hey guys, hope you guys enjoyed today's episode of J-Man's Fish Adventures. If so, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next fishing adventure.